If we want to take passport size photo, what we usually do is we'll go to studio, we'll take photo and we'll print that photo. But some people may not be able to go to studio due to some health issues or some reasons. If you are facing that problem, in this video we'll be telling about how to take passport size photo without that person going to studio. Or if you are having printer in your home, you can take passport size photo from your home itself. Anyway, let's check how to do it. For this, you don't need to install any application in your phone. What you need to do is open any browser. After opening any browser, search for cutout.pro passport. Cutout.pro passport. When you search for that, you will see a result like this. Click on this link. When you click on this link, a page will open like this. Here you can see upload image. Click on this upload image option. After selecting that, select any image for passport size photo. I am selecting this image. It's better to take a new photo. You can dress up and take new photo. After that, you can upload that photo. Anyways, for example, I am selecting this image. After selecting that image, here you can see done option. Click on this done option. When you click on that, you can see a new page like this. Here that background is removed. Now you can see that passport style photo is generated. Here if you want to change photo specification, you can change it here. Select this photo specification. Here you can see so many options. Country wise option is also there. You can select your country. I am selecting India passport. Whichever you want, you can select. I am selecting this. After that, down here you can see paper size. Select this paper size. By default it will be single photo. If you want, you can change it to 2 photos or 6 photos you can change. Or many options are there. You can select whichever you want. I am selecting this 6 photos option. After selecting that, here you can see one option, color option. Here you can change the background color. If you want, you can change the background color. Default it is set to white. If you want, you can change it. I am selecting this blue color. After that, one more option is here. If you want to change shirt, you can do that also. But I am opting for original photo. Anyways, after that, click this done button. Now our passport size photo is ready. Down here you can see download HD option. If you want to download this photo, you need to sign in first. You can easily sign in with Google account. After signing in, here you can see down arrow option. Click on this arrow option. Here you can see 2 options, PNG and JPG. You can select any of the format you want. I am selecting JPG. After selecting the format, here you can see download option. When you click on download option, this photo will be saved. Now in gallery you can see this photo. You can take print of this photo from studio, or if you are having printer in your home itself, you can take print out of this photo and you can use this photo as passport size photo. If you don't have printer in your home, you can take this photo to studio and take print out. If that person is not able to come to studio also, another person can go to studio and take print out of this photo. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.